Jai Gurudev students. So today we are going to start the word problems on the basis of the topic subtraction. Subtraction নিয়ে আমরা আজকে word problem শুরু করব. But before that we need to revise our points. Certain points which I have discussed through a story named Gnosis Penicillium. I think you have gone through all the stories, not all the stories, that particular story. So from that story, what points we come to know? These 4 points we come to know. The first one is information, মানে তথ্য. The second one is clue বা hint বা কোনো একটা ইঙ্গিত, যে পরে আমি কি করব সেটা ইঙ্গিত. The third one is calculation, যেটা আমাদের ইঙ্গিতটা পাওয়ার পর যেটা আমাদের ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে, ক্যালকুলেশন করতে হবে. And the fourth one is result declaration, মানে যখন আমরা ক্যালকুলেশন করে রেজাল্ট পেলাম তখন সেটা আমরা ডিক্লেয়ার করে দেব. ঠিক আছে? So these 4 points we need to use in word problems, and in addition you have gone through all the addition or the word problem in addition, I think. So there you can get this 4 points. With the help of this 4 point, I think you may finished all your additions. Now we need to concentrate on subtraction, which used to be a very difficult topic, very difficult topic for the word problems, especially the word problems. And yes, I have seen from my last year's experience that many of our students are doing lots of silly mistakes in case of subtraction. So we need to very concentrate on this particular topic, word problem. So how to use these 4 points, that information, clue, calculation and result declaration, we need to find out. Okay, so before going to my main video, the thing is that let me revise one more thing, that information which we will give you. Okay, that means the question setter will give you or your teachers will give you. The number 2 is clue. From that information you need to find out the clue on the basis of some words or some pattern. কোন একটা প্যাটার্ন বা কোন একটা ওয়ার্ডের ভিত্তিতে ওই ইনফরমেশন থেকে তোমাকে ক্লু নিতে হবে. ঠিক আছে, যেটা কি করব, because in examination you will get not lots of 3 to 4 word problems, not in periodic test, but yes, in half yearly or periodic test 2 or in annual examination also you need to do 4 word problems. So then we need to identify that which process should we go with. That means if we need to do additions or subtraction or multiplication or division. Now we have only 2 topics, one is addition and one is subtraction. Okay, so after finding out the clueটা পাওয়ার পর যে আমি কি করব, সেটা addition হবে না subtraction হবে না multiplication না division, then we need to do this thing. We need to find out these 2 points. After that we need to do the calculation, the proper calculation, because with the proper calculation the result declaration will be automatically correct, right? With the proper calculation, with the process through which we get the proper result, আমরা যখন রেজাল্টটা পেয়ে যাব তার সাথে রেজাল্ট ডিক্লারেশনটা অটোমেটিক্যালি ভালো হয়ে যাবে. তাহলে এবার আমাদের দেখতে হবে যে হাউ টু অ্যাপ্লাই ইট প্র্যাকটিক্যালি, যেটা আমরা কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিক্যালি সেটাকে অ্যাপ্লাই করব. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে চলো এখন একটা অঙ্ক দিয়ে শুরু করা যাক. So you can see in my board I have written some things. Let us read this one and let me help you how to find it or how to grab these points. First of all, certain type will be followed in subtraction. A particular type will be followed in case of subtraction. So which one is the type? Okay, let's find out that type. That means total number minus given number. Total number minus given number. So what is this total number minus given number? I have written it as a formula. You know that in case of subtraction we need to subtract a smaller number than a greater number, right? So here the greater number will be the total number minus the given number. This total number can be the total number of students in a particular school, total number of books in a library, total number of bulbs in a bulb factory, or total number of desks in a class. Anything can be happen. Okay, and the given number, suppose from students, from the number of students, you will be provided the boys, how many boys are there, or you maybe provide how many desks are damaged. This kind of thing will come. I know that the total number will be given by us, means your teachers or the question setters, and the given number will be also given by us, but I need to name that particular term. That's why I have given the name given number. And yes, in right side of the board you can see I have written hint. So what is hint? In from my last 4 points, that means information, hint, calculation, and the last one was result declaration. In case of addition, I have given you some hint words, but in case of subtraction, it will be better for you if you avoid those hint words. But yes, some hint words are there. That means left, how many left, or this is the main hint word, how many left. মানে এটা এমন একটা হিন্ট ওয়ার্ড যেটা তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে। লেফট মানে কি? বাকি আছে। দ্যাট মিন্স বাকি আছে মানে কিছু বেরিয়ে গেছে, কিছু সাবট্রাক্ট হয়ে যাওয়ার পরেই বাকি আছে, ঠিক আছে? এটাই মেইনলি থাকে। এবার এটা ছাড়া বিসাইড দিস সাবট্রাক্টেড difference, this kind of words may be there, but it will help you if you go through this particular formula. So what you need to do, you need to pause the video, you can take screenshots, or if you can see, then you pause the video and then go through this formula. It will help you. I can assure you that it will help you. So how to apply it in our word problems, let's check it out. So children, here I have written one question. Let's read it out. There were 6,205 chickens in a poultry farm. Due to some disease, 1,429 chickens died. How many were left? Okay. So how to identify? First of all, we need to identify the information. Okay. There were 6,205 chickens in a poultry farm. This one is our first information, but this information, okay fine, it will help us to find out the result, but this information is not the ultimate. Like my in my story, I have given two kind of informations. One is for the value of the pencil, and the second one is which provided us the clue. Okay, from which information we got the clue, the detective got the clue, right? Now we need to find the clue giving, I shall call it clue giving information. So let's go through the second line. Due to some disease, 1,429 chickens died. Died means মারা গেছে, মারা গেছিল, not মারা গেছে, মারা গেছিল। So due to some disease, কোন একটা অসুস্থতার কারণে 1,429 chickens died. তাহলে এটা আমাদের পড়ে যাচ্ছে কি প্যাটার্নে। প্যাটার্নটা কি ছিল আমাদের? টোটাল নাম্বার মাইনাস গিভেন নাম্বার। Now the question may arise, sir, total number, given number তো সব জায়গাতেই থাকে। In each and every case word problems maybe total number are there. How to identify the total number? But my friends, I have given one more. This is a type and we need to observe all the type. We need to understand all the things here. See, total number is there. After that we need to put a minus. That means কিছু একটা মাইনাস করতে হবে, সেটা আমাদের বুঝতে হবে। So কি died, এই যে কথাটা, এটা মানে কি মাইনাস, মারা গেছে। এতজন ছিল, এতগুলো চিকেন ছিল, থেকে কয়েকজন মারা গেছে, means died. So this one is first hint. Total number, কিসের total number? I have told you that any kind of total number may be there. Maybe the total number of table, maybe the total number of student, anything can be there, right? So here the total number of chicken has been given to you, and after that died, that means মারা গেছে, and after that given number, মানে কতজন মারা গেছে, এক্ষেত্রে given number of chickens who died. So given number of chicken who died, that means 1,429. এটা হচ্ছে কি বাই প্যাটার্ন we are solving the case. And the second one is hint word. In case of this word problem, we can mark the hint word left. So for this particular type of questions where how many were left, this left word comes or left word be there will be there, you can find it out easily. Okay, so now we need to write the statement. Okay, as we all know that we need to write the statement, so we will start and try to write the statement in proper way. Okay, so I am writing 6205 and 1429, that much only. Okay, in a poultry farm. Now this has also a particular type. যে কিভাবে আমি বুঝবো? See, when we write in means আছে ওটার মধ্যে, in এর বাংলা কি মধ্যে, in a poultry farm মানে একটা পোল্ট্রি ফার্মের মধ্যে, ঠিক আছে, একটা পোল্ট্রি ফার্মের মধ্যে। আর on মানে কি উপরে। I am keeping this pen on a table, that means কি টেবিলের উপরে রেখেছি, টেবিলের ভিতরে টেবিলটাকে এভাবে ছিঁড়ে আমি রাখতে পারবো না, সো ওটা হচ্ছে কি on। আর এখানে in যখনই দেখছি মানে কোন একটা জায়গার ব্যাপারে বলছি, in a poultry farm. Now going to the next topic. In a poultry farm, number of chicken equals to 6205. Number of chicken, sorry, I have written capital 1. Number of chicken died equals to 1429 minus. So now easily we can find out the answer. We can subtract 9 from 5, so we will consider this one as 15. Here 0 has been given, so 0 থেকে তো 1 নিতে পারবে না, 1 can't be borrowed from 0, so we will take a common loan and we will make the 20 19. So how I have pointed this, you can find out in my this YouTube page. Okay, so 19, 9 minus 2 equals to how much? 9 minus 2 equals to 7. It will be we will do the calculation later. And from 4 can't be subtracted from 1, so we will consider another 1 and the 6 will become 5. So 15 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 9 equals to 6. 9 minus 2 equals to 7, and 11 minus 4 equals to 7, and 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So what is it? Number of chicken left. এটা আমরা কি বের করলাম? এটা বের করলাম যে কতজন চিকেন এখনো বেঁচে আছে। Okay, number of chicken left. So the answer লেখা আরো বেশি ইজি। How many chickens were left? We need to put the result in place of how many. How many এর জায়গাতে আমরা কি করব? রেজাল্ট লিখে দেব 4776 chickens, বাকি যা আছে তা আমরা একদম কোশ্চেন থেকে হোক বই থেকে হোক দেখে লিখে নেব। chickens were left. Finished. So to write the if we need to write the statement, is it a difficult task to write a statement? It is very easy. In each and every word problems, we need to write the same thing. Number of chicken, here it is number of chicken. Number of students may be there, number of desks may be there, and in case of money we will write amount. So it will be discussed later. So now you need to note down this one. Okay, so now I am going to start another word problem. Now see, I have given another word problem. Uma needs rupees 20 to buy a chocolate. She has rupees 10 with her. How much more does she need? Point number 1. The hint word left is not there. See, in the whole question you will not find the word left. So what to do now? That's why I am telling, follow the pattern, not the hint word in case of subtraction. Okay, now কি বলেছে একবার বাংলায় শুনে নিন। উমার দরকার 20 টাকা কিসের জন্য? চকলেট কিনবে। চকলেটটার দাম 20 টাকা, তাই ওর 20 টাকা দরকার। She has rupees 10 with her. ওর সাথে কত টাকা আছে? 10 টাকা আছে। ঠিক আছে, 20 টাকা লাগবে, 10 টাকা আছে। How much more does she need? I know you all can answer. Sir, she need rupees 10. But how? কিভাবে? Because you have subtracted rupees 10 from rupees 20 and then you got the answer rupees 10, right? In this case also the pattern will be followed. How? See, rupees 20 is the total amount she need. So type total number minus the given number which she has, যেটা ওর কাছে আছে, given number. দেখলে, টোটাল নাম্বার মাইনাস গিভেন নাম্বার, এটা থাকবে, যেটা আছে এটাকে বাদ দিয়ে আরো কত টাকা লাগবে, তাই তো বের করছি, বাদ দিয়েছে মানে বাদ দেওয়া মানে সাবট্রাকশন। এবার কথা হচ্ছে কি, যেহেতু তোমরা সবাই ক্লাস 3 তে পড়ো, as you all are in class 3, so rupees 20 and chocolate and rupees 10 will not be given because it is a standard 2 question. So in case of rupees 20, what will be given? Let's write it with red pen. Uma needs, instead of rupees 20, 5,108 to buy a, instead of chocolate, silver chain or golden chain. She has rupees, instead of 10, 3,289. Can you identify, can you observe the changes? The main thing is same, only the number changes. So my friend, when we give you the question changing the numbers or changing these things, don't get nervous. Nervous হয়ো না বা চিন্তারও কিছু নেই, because you know the pattern. আমার এই জিনিসটা কিনতে এত টাকা দরকার, আমার কাছে আছে 5 টাকা, আমার কিনতে লাগবে একটা পেন্সিল কিনতে 5 টাকা লাগবে, আমি 3 দিনে 3 টাকা জোগাড় করেছি, আমার আরো কত টাকা দরকার? 2 টাকা। But as you all are in class 3, right? So we need to upgrade our standard. But the main thing, the basic thing will be same. Now, Uma needs rupees 5,108 to buy a silver chain. She has rupees 3,289 with her. How much more does she need? Again the same thing, total number minus given number. So total number is rupees 5,108 minus given number is rupees 3,289. Now we need to write the statement. So let's not waste the time and let's write the statement. Okay. Here you need to practice a little bit because I am writing the thing for, I am giving a word here, I am writing a word, you need to write for purchasing. Okay, I am clearing it. For let's make it simpler. to buy a silver chain, একটা সিলভার চেন কিনতে, amount of money, ওকে, গীতা না সীতা ছিল আমার ঠিক মনে নেই, তো আমি গীতা লিখছি। amount of money Gita needs, I don't have enough space, so I am writing here rupees 5,108, amount of money Gita has rupees 3,289. Now you can subtract directly if you can write in one line. That means amount of money Gita needs in one line you are writing. If you can't, then no issue, put a therefore symbol here. Amount of money Gita needs more equals to 5,108 minus rupees 3,289. So I don't have enough space here. I need to do the calculation in another place, but you can do the calculation by yourself, I know. Rupees 5,108 minus rupees 3,289. Let's minus it. We will take 18. We will make it 909. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. 9 minus 8 is equals to 0. To 0 होगा 10. 10. It will become 4. 10 minus 2 equals to 8. 4 minus 3 equals to 1, and the rupees symbol. Rupees 1,890. Finished. So again the answer we will write in case of in place of how many we will put the amount. That means rupees 1,819. But this time you need to write the answer by yourself. Yes, I can rub it and write it, but no, you will write the answer. Okay. And now I am giving the assignment. So check it out. Jai Gurudev.